Languages that we teach in the Synergy Language Academy includes the Nigerian languages like Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. We also teach foreign languages like Chinese and French. We teach both children and adults. I encourage you to come down to the Synergy Language Academy for your programs.
Coordinator of the digital marketing aspect of the Synergy Language School. We are in the middle of digital economy, and if you are not making money online, you are losing a lot. We are giving you an opportunity. We are showing you the way, step by step, first-hand information on how you make money online. Using your laptop, using your phone, using your tab, it is possible.
Bonjour tout le monde. Je suis Madame Roselyne Wampo. J'ai enseigné français dans l'école de Synergy. Français, c'est très important. Est-ce que tu vas connaître bien français? Tu vas parler français, parle Chinese, parle anglais.
We are here from the Synergy Language Academy, located at number 15 Sarikiyaki, Kano State, Nigeria. Our school specializes on teaching languages like French.
Hello tout le monde.
And Chinese. Alright, we also offer adult literacy programs, digital marketing programs, and much more. I want you to hurry now to the Synergy Language Academy for your qualitative French classes and your qualitative Chinese classes. The time is ticking. No time to waste. You can call the following phone numbers: 081 01 27 8355 or 090 56 16 76 92. The Synergy Language Academy, Kano State, Nigeria, located at number 15 Sarikiyaki.